Hey everyone! Today we're drawing something super fun and colorful, a Grape Pop It toy. So grab your colors and let's get started. Glitty Art English! First, I draw the full body shape of the grape. It has a curved bunch-like outline that's wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. After that, I draw the small top part that connects the grape to the stem. I draw several horizontal lines to divide the grape into 6 sections. These lines help guide the colors and create that fun pop-it look. I draw the bubbles. It now looks just like a real pop-it, ready to press. Did you know? Grapes have been enjoyed by people for over 8,000 years. They're full of good stuff like vitamin C and K, and you can eat them fresh or make yummy juice or jelly. Now it's time to add some sparkle with glitter colors. I start with the top part and color it with glitter red. The second section is filled with glitter orange. For the third section, I use glitter yellow. Next, the fourth section gets a bright glitter green. Then I color the fifth section using glitter sky blue. And finally, I complete the drawing by coloring the last section with glitter purple. And that's it. Our sparkly rainbow grape pop, it is all done. If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cute and colorful art. Bye-bye!